In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services to scroll and access Autofill with Google section. Now tap on Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password to add any of your passwords. After inputting all of those informations, all you need to do is hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!